To activate eSIM on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Connections, and then over here in Connections, we should be able to go to SIM Manager. Once you open SIM Manager, you should be able to find the Add eSIM option, and if you do not have any physical SIM card added into your Samsung Galaxy A57, then most likely you will immediately start the setup of the eSIM. Nevertheless, we're gonna tap over here, and of course I have this information that the SIM2 is going to be deactivated in order to make room for the eSIM, because we can use only 2 SIMs at a time. Alright, so let's wait for the next menu to show up. There we go. Now over here we can transfer our eSIM from another smartphone, or you can just scan a QR code. Now over here we can of course just put the QR code within this frame in order to scan it. You can enter the activation code, you can use the gallery in order to choose the photo where you have the QR code in case that's how you have it, and also we can toggle the flashlight in case you need to do so. Afterwards, you will find a quick setup where usually you just have to tap on Add, and if needed, go through all of these setup options that will appear on the screen. There's also a possibility that you will find additional menu where you can edit your SIM names and so on and so forth. So of course you can go through this menu and you can decide, for example, which SIM should be used by default for calling, for messaging, and for mobile data. Of course, you can still change it in here in the SIM Manager settings. And there we go, here we have our eSIM. Leave a like and subscribe.